Cheese.
We can do this. Use your mouse to guide us away from the obstacles.
Look at Mommy. I'm here.
Good job, baby.
Use your mouse to avoid the obstacles.
Good job. Go sit and watch Nathan play. Look at Nathan playing his game. Hmm?
Dragons are fierce, but not too bright. Old Furnace-Face will be chasing his tail in the cave maze for hours. Great job, matey. You're an awesome navigator. For distracting the dragon, we earned 3
Kiss.
gold doubloons.
Mommy, we distract the dragon.
He wants to kiss you.
Why, you sneaky scoundrels, you woke me up from the beauty sleep.
We have the golden bell, and we're here to free Bucky.
What? But a band of purely pirates could never.
Never say never.
Uh-oh.
We did it, Bucky.
Okay.
We saved you from Hook, and now we're
Right.
back together.
Mommy, I won.
And we're never losing you again. Let's sail back to Pirate
That's
Island.
the only thing. Hug. Good night, Noah. Good night,
Aw.
Mom.
Good night, baby.